everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing something that was specifically customized for me. So if you guys are interested in watching what I am going to be reviewing today, then please keep on watching. So the brand that I'm talking about in today's video is Freewill. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing products from Freewill. This is something I got 1 or 2 months ago, and this is their single kit. So if you haven't heard a lot about Freewill, I'm going to tell you. Freewill customizes shampoo, conditioner and serum according to your concerns or hair goals. So this is how I received the packet, and I have to say that while placing, I wasn't sure if I will get this in time, but the delivery was very quick and it was very much safe. So this is how the Freewill single kit arrived at my door. I'm just going to remove the shampoo, the conditioner and my small cute serum. Gonna keep it aside. I have used this single kit for 3 weeks straight, you guys. And my review is very much honest, and it's going to be very much based on what differences I saw on my hair and whether I was able to achieve my hair goal or not. The price and everything will be in the description, so don't forget to check it out. Also you guys, I have a special coupon for you guys which will get you 10% off on your total as you check out. This is how the products look like. And I am so in love with the packaging. It is very simple, yet the quality of the packaging is amazing. Conditioner is 150 ml and the color is so pretty. And so is the shampoo. The conditioner and the shampoo are of the same color. The shampoo is for 250 ml. Freewill asked me what name I wanted to go with, and I went with Baby Shri because I am Baby Shri. The steps that you have to follow to get this product is really easy. You just have to go to Freewill's website, which I will link in the description. Once you're there, you have to just take this small test that has a lot of questions in it about your hair and what goals you have, what concerns you have regarding your hair. And once you're done answering these questions, they create a formula for you and add the natural ingredients that suit your hair and that will result in making your hair according to your hair growth. The concerns that I added for myself personally were the dryness, the brittleness, and obviously I needed a lot of nourishment since my hair is very much chemically treated and it has been colored so many times. Also because I use a lot of heat on a daily basis. So at the end they customized a shampoo for me and then I checked out. My hair is definitely a lot frizzy today as compared to my other videos because I really wanted to show you guys how my actual hair looks like once I am done washing using these products from Freewill. The shampoo is very mild and it definitely gives out the perfect amount of lather that is required to shampoo your hair. They definitely rinse out very smoothly, which I personally love in hair products. They smell delicious to me. And it's very nutty as well. I happily say that the products worked for me and they have definitely made my hair more nourished, more softer and smooth. For me, the serum is the best part because it really works for me as a detangler and keeps my hair smooth all day. That's all I had for my Freewill review. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Comment your lovely comments in the comment section and do subscribe to my channel. Lots of love. Mwah. Big kisses and take care.